Alright, so here's my project car. My 2002 Subaru WRX. I'm not too sure what I'm going to be doing with this. I would love to put like a wide body on it. I think that'd be super sick. So let's start from the back. The interior back here isn't great. It's honestly like torn apart. I just need to tear it all out. I do still have the privacy cover though. For some reason I have like the darkest tint in the world on the back. I don't know why. It's pretty cool though. I don't know why the dash looks like this. It's like alternating white, red, white, red, white. It's so weird. Only one of the headlights works. One thing that is kind of cool, it has a auto dimming mirror. I put a LED headlamp in here. AC doesn't work, so that's fun. 5-speed manual. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then reverse. It's pretty cool. It has a stage 3 clutch in it. It's kind of heavy. I accidentally broke the dash right here. I had like a phone mount right here. It melted and dropped off. It was like one of the ones with the like the sticky stuff on it. It fell on this and broke it. Sadly. It's been sitting for about like 2 years now. It does run. I will show a clip of it running. Alright, I'm gonna do a cold start. So yeah, it's pretty cool. It has like a STI engine in it, 2.5 liter turbo. This garage is too messy. I'm sorry about that. Yeah, it's really weird. The setup is so weird. There's a giant hole just venting to Atmo, so that's fun. There's the turbo back there. This weird blow-off valve that needs to just be gone. Somehow this battery's lasted over a year. Over 2 years. I don't know how. It's kind of cool. Mishimoto radiator. For some reason, the previous owner decided to paint everything on the front end red. It looks so bad. I wish I could like swap it out with like better headlights. Thankfully, there's not much rust on this thing. Well, there's a crack in the glass right there, but I just fold these in just to make it easier to walk past it. And starting to rust like right here. Some bubbling. Tons of dents everywhere. Definitely a project car. It's pretty, but like, I don't know. I've grown attached to it, but also I kind of want to get rid of it. The interior is actually pretty decent. It smells really weird though. I don't know why. So dark in here. What the frig? I don't know what else to show. I will show it running and driving. I'm not too sure what's wrong with it, but only I think the bulbs are just I think the left side bulbs are just broken because like the front left fog light works, front left headlight works. These ones don't, but when you turn on high beams, this does work, and the blinkers do work on this side. Besides that, paint is very faded. There's a lot of junk on the top of it, but I'll put a picture on screen right here, hopefully, of a wide body WRX wagon. They look so good. You don't want to do that, but I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, that's my car. Hopefully I can build it out. That'd be super sick. And yeah, thanks for watching and see you later.